LG's high-end TVs just got a lot better, and that is for their C2 and G2 OLED models. Now, they are going to have a firmware update that will give you Dolby Vision precision detail. Now, this is a new feature set that was reported pretty much today. Uh, it's claimed to reveal extra details in the picture, basically. So if you want better picture quality, this is going to be a fantastic update you should be considering. At least basically you should be looking at to consider if you want the very best performance for your Dolby Vision content in general. Now, this feature was initially planned to launch in June, 2 months ago, basically, but it has arrived a couple of months late. It's at least the firmware version is 3.20.24, so it's available for now on the C2 G2 model. So if you have the OLED C2 and G2 model, this feature will be available right now. The feature also will come to the LG Z2 8K OLED TV at a later date. It's not yet going to be there as of yet. So it's something you just have to wait a bit. The firmware version requires LG's Alpha 9 Gen 5 video processor to be very effective. Now, this isn't the first time an LG TV has been first with Dolby tech in general. Now, the LG brand has at least has always been, or pretty much was the first to use Dolby Vision on its TVs when it came out several years ago. Now, the first to add, and they're also the first to add 4K at 120 frames per second, and even support Dolby Vision IQ, which is a new and a slightly better way to process Dolby Vision content. So look, the LG has always been kind of like first to some of the new tech that Dolby Tech always has to offer. That's what they do. They've been very consistent over the years. Now, Dolby Vision seeks to show HDR images as accurately as possible. It does so through the use of a dynamic metadata that carries scene by scene instructions that a Dolby Vision capable display can use to make they can use pretty much to make sure it portrays the content that is close to the filmmaker's vision as possible. Its rival is HDR10. The Samsung has a direct rival to Dolby Vision, which is HDR10 Plus. So if you have a Samsung TV, you might just more or less be interested in you might just be interested in that. Basically, like HDR10 Plus, that's what you get with a Samsung display in general. So look, this news report seems really nice because not too long ago LG had at least announced that they would start including Dolby Vision IQ to their latest TVs, and this is very interesting. Dolby Vision IQ uses the TV's light sensors to take the ambient lighting conditions into account, so it will vary the picture based on the lighting conditions in the room that you have the TV. That is the upgrade that you get with Dolby Vision IQ to regular Dolby Vision processing. So that's something that you should be really looking at. And Dolby Vision Precision Detail takes this step on a bit further. The only thing now it's going to do is it's going to be adjusting the light level of every area of the screen in order to increase contrast, sharpness, detail, and also improve the image quality of Dolby Vision content. That's something that should be looked at in general by a lot of people that will be getting their hands on the C2 and G2 OLED TV. So it's really important that you get this updates on your TV. Basically, really important. So I'll drop all the main details about this update and how you can work it out on your TV and how you can get it on your TV. So that's the main announcement. If you like this content, subscribe. I'll see you guys very much next time.